Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Cafe 143.
Today we are going to learn something super simple and fun. Chapter 2 Polynomials. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Let's jump in. So, first, what is a polynomial? Let me explain in a super easy way, okay? Listen carefully. A polynomial is just a math expression where we combine numbers and x. The power of x must be whole numbers only, like 0, 1, 2, 3, nothing else. The numbers in front of x called the coefficient has to be a real numbers. That means you can multiply x, add x, and the power of the x can be positive or 0. That's polynomial. Alright, let's look at some examples of polynomials and how to find their degree. Okay, see the first example, 4x plus 2. This is a polynomial because x has a whole number. Power 1 here. So that's degree is 1. The second example is 2y squared minus 3y plus 4. It's a polynomial? Yes, all powers are whole number. So that's degree is 2. See the third example, 5x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 2. It's a polynomial? Yes, all powers are whole numbers again. So that's degree is 3. Now see the fourth example, 7u power 6 minus 4u squared plus 8u minus 2. It's a polynomial? Yes. Powers 6, 2, 1, 0. All whole numbers. That's degree is 6. Now let's see some non-polynomials. X power minus 1, 1 by x squared plus 2 plus 1 by 3 root x. These are non-polynomials. So remember, polynomials equal to numbers plus x with whole numbers powers. Non-polynomial is x has negative or fractional powers. Okay. Tip to find the degree, look at the powers of x in each term. Look at the powers of x in each terms. Okay. That highest power is a degree. Okay. And then degree 1 is called linear, degree 2 is called quadratic, and degree 3 is called cubic. These are the general forms on linear, quadratic, cubic. Okay, now let's talk about the value of the polynomial. So what does it mean? Suppose you have one polynomial p of x. If we replace x with some numbers, says k, the polynomials become the number. That number is called the value of polynomial at x equal to k. Right? In simple words, value of polynomial at x equal to k. Okay. See the example, p of x equal to x squared minus 3x minus 4. We put the x equal to 2. Okay. So p of 2 equal to 2 squared minus 3 of 2 minus 4. It's equal to minus 6. And then substitute in x equal to 0. So p of 0 equal to 0 minus 4 equal to 4. Okay. Now we see some examples. Okay. The first example is 2x plus 3. We can find zeros. Okay. In the polynomial. So first we can write 2x plus 3 equal to 0, which implies 2x equal to minus 3. So x equal to 3x by 2. The polynomial 0 is minus 3 by 2. The second example is x squared minus 3x minus 4. So first we can write 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. The first step is factorization. We get the factorization is x minus 4 and x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 4 minus 1. This polynomial's zeros is 4 and 1. Okay. See, the third example is 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Look at the middle term 5x and split it cleverly to help factorization. Okay. So we can write 3x squared plus 6x minus x minus 2 equal to 0, which implies 3x of x plus 2 minus 1 x plus 2 equal to 0. The factor out common terms in each groups. Okay. So we get next we can factors out the common x plus 2. So we get 3x minus 1 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 by 3 minus 2. These are the polynomial in polynomials of 0. Okay. Alright. That's it. For this part, we have finished learning how to find zeros and polynomials using factorization. Thanks for watching this video. We can continue with chapter 2, part 2 and explore the next topic step by step. See you in the next video.